light has witnessed the progress of human civilization. From Swerenchi's drilling wood for fire, to Edison's invention of electric light, and then to the wide application of light-emitting diodes. Optoelectronic display technology has developed so far, and after several epoch-making changes, it has brought mankind into the colorful display era. GKGD, bearing the mission, presents you with a brighter and more wonderful visual feast. Since its establishment in 2013, GKGD has invested $800 million and has 180,000 square meters of workshops for LED encapsulation, display, and plastic injection. GKGD's products cover LED lamp beads, display, plastic injection, etc. There is one CNAS, National Optoelectronic Laboratory, two national high-tech enterprises, which have been the top 10 national LED display brands for many years. GKGD has become one of the largest R&D and production bases of LED encapsulating and display products in China, and the cluster effect of LED optoelectronic industry is prominent. In order to promote technological progress and industrial development, GKGD is based in Shanxi province and focused on the whole country. With a young and energetic innovative technology team and more than 240 authorized patents, GKGD has set up its Shanxi province headquarters and Shenzhen double R&D bases. In February 2022, a new LED encapsulating workshop was officially put into production, which marked that the LED encapsulating capacity jumped to a new level. Whether it's mini COB, micro LED, high efficiency and energy-saving display, and other core technology fields, we keep making breakthroughs to achieve technological leadership. GKGD takes quality as its brand endorsement, relying on CNAS, National Optoelectronic Laboratory of the group, to carry out all-round control. The product quality is well known. At present, the company has obtained 3C, energy saving, environmental protection, CB, CE, FCC, ROS, and other certification qualifications, and established internal standards, such as advanced process and quality inspection in the industry. GKGD has grown rapidly from obscurity to the preferred brand of LED customers, and has built a high-quality marketing network covering 31 provinces across the country. We have overseas distributors in Russia, Spain, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, Egypt, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, etc. And our products are sold to more than 60 countries around the world. In order to make the GKGD brand go further, GKGD is constantly exploring on the road of high-tech display and high-quality innovation. Building an honest supply system, taking shares in upstream chip enterprises, building smart factories, and taking a number of innovations simultaneously to inject new kinetic energy into the high-quality development of enterprises. LED industry is one of the 14 strategic emerging industrial clusters built by Shanxi province. In 2022, combined with the current situation of enterprises and market positioning, GKGD established the development goal of practicing internal strength, optimizing structure, promoting listing, and building an industry of over 10 billion scale. In the future, we will continue to develop LED industry, make GKGD a century-old shop, and strive to become a high-quality, high-standard, historic, and cultural enterprise.